Okay, Omar, you go there, okay? Zawai, you go there. Alex, go there. And Jalin, go there. I go there, okay?
Okay, we meet here then.
Okay, we meet you there. Okay, done.
Welcome to my world of nature. If you want to get back to your normal life, you have to get to the appointed destination and eat the magic berry within 1 hour. The clock starts now.
You guys had a weird dream yesterday, like a paper with a sentence, you know, in red color, something like "Don't mess with nature."
Yeah.
Oh, you guys have it? You guys have it?
Yeah, me too. Oh shit.
Really?
Yeah.
So we had the same dream. Yeah.
This is crazy. Why?
Yeah.
I have no idea what happened yesterday, man. Like seriously.
Escaping like some.
I shouldn't eat before I sleep though.
Some sort. You guys had the berries?
Yeah. we should not pollute nature.
Yeah.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Yes.